Hello, this is Megan from Manny's Wine and Shine, and today I'm going to show you how to finish this manicure using water decals. And of course, I have my wine with me in my little tumbler so I don't have any wine accidents. And these are the nail decals from my Born Pretty haul that you'll see. And so I'm going to put these water decals on my ring and middle finger, which I used Revel Mates Calcutta nail polish for that. Those two fingers I used for my other three fingers. Revel's Goal Digger, topped with Legacy from the Girl Boss collection. This is going to be my Easter manicure. So grab some wine and join me and watch me do my nails. I'll finish my nails. So you can see, you think you're getting a lot, but you're only getting these few. But it's not so bad. As you can see here, I'm picking out these two next to each other, and I'm going to cut them out in one large go, and then I will then cut them and slim them down so they take up less area of my nail, so it's easier to encapsulate, i.e. just cover the top coat so it stays on my nail without lifting. And I'm just going to take off the film now because these decals do come with a film that you have to remove before placing them in water. And you can see that I'm going to then start slimming these down and starting to kind of make them smaller. Like I'll cut off a little bit of greenery too, just so more is able to be under my top coat. I'm cutting this super close because this is a pretty large water decal. And I don't want any lifting in my corner. So I'm going to do the little guy first. I'll put it in here and just let it soak all the way. Don't forget, take a sip. Basically, it needs to soak as long as taking a sip of wine before it becomes loose enough to move off. Like that. To be placed on a nail. Oops. I'm going to angle this so it kind of looks like it's coming from the corner. I'm left-handed, so like this is easier for me to do left-handed, but it's so much harder to video for you guys. See? And so now I'm gonna move that guy over here to the trash pile. I'm gonna take my other guy, place it in there, make sure the whole thing gets soaked as it sits. Cheers! And let it soak so I can easily slide it off and place it in the corner of my nail. On the bottom, which is where I want to place this one. Oops. Oh no! See, it's not always perfect. A little slippery. Oh no, it looks like I bent this one. Maybe I can smooth it out. This one might be a wash. So I had to fiddle with this one a little bit off camera. Because it was a little bunched up. I just can't get it close to my face with the camera in the way. I don't always recommend working with full nail decals because you need to make sure there's enough free space along your nail bed so it can actually get sealed into your top coat. So see how I cut the top piece off there when I was cutting it originally to make sure that there'll be free space along my nail like this. So it will be completely sandwiched within my gel top coat, which when you do water slides, decals, I always recommend topping with a gel top coat. That is ideal if you don't have one. You can use a regular top coat, but I find that gel top coats seal them better and you'll get longer results. And here is the finished look. I did my 2 accent nails for each hand backwards, mainly because I had a cover on my ring finger that I nicked while the nails were drying, while I was typing away after I did my nails. So I really love this Easter manicure that I did on myself, Easter, spring, whatever, whenever. The gold in Legacy gives it a little something something to Gold Digger. I feel like that is the most perfect pink nude for me, so I wanted this to stand out along with my white Calcutta nails, 2 accent fingers, and the water slide decals that I got from Born Pretty Store, which were super easy to use and totally recommend, and will purchase more. While water slide decals, like I've said before, are amazing when you are artistically challenged like myself and cannot draw a simple heart. Like, it's just, I can't do it. The people that freehand cheetah print are amazing, and I envy you. But that's just not me, so I stick to my water slides, and I make pretty manicures. I hope that you found this tutorial useful and enjoyed coming and doing your nails with me. Make sure to have a glass of wine and send good vibes out to the world. Let me know what you think below. Like and subscribe if you choose, and I look forward to having you back on my channel. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Stay healthy.